I'm going to show you how you can create forms with the form factory. So go to tools, say form factory. Now for labels, which are just like text lines, you can use the L character separated by semicolon, say question 1. If you want check boxes, which means multiple of them can be checked, use C and then the semicolon. So you can say this is answer 1, and then another one, answer 2, and then let's say you want another question, you again separate by L, say question 2, and then if you want radio buttons, which are only one of them can be selected in this form, say yes or no, and that's it. So this will create your form. Now when you invite a student to this class, open an incognito window, see this is the student. Right, so they get options, so they can select both the answers with the check boxes, but with the radio button only one of them can be selected, and then you can click submit when you submit the answer, and then when you want to see the results, you can just click results here and you can see the results. You can hide the student names as well, so if you want to share you can hide who wrote what. Hope that helps. Thanks.